I'm Holly Stevens, and I'm an MSW student at Liberty University. It's crucial that an MSW student learns to explain confidentiality to their clients. Um, in order to increase my confidence and my confidence in the profession, I will deliver a confidentiality statement to be reviewed by my professor and my peers. Welcome. I'm so happy that you're here today. Before we get started, I just wanted to review a bit of information with you. To begin with, I know you've already read and signed forms regarding your visit, but I feel it may be helpful for you if we review some of the information introduced in those forms. Please feel free to ask any questions along the way you may have regarding this information. It's important that you understand confidentiality and how it works according to our conversations. First off, what you say here stays here, and I will not share any of your information with anyone that does not have a need or a right to know. The only time I will share your information is if you sign a form giving me written consent to release information to a particular person, with a few exceptions. Does this make sense so far? Next, the exceptions I want to make you aware of. Okay, so there are a few limitations to confidentiality where I would need to share your information with others. For instance, if you were to express the desire to harm yourself or someone else, I would need to contact someone else and let them know what you said. Also, I'm mandated to report any suspicions that I may have of child abuse or neglect. Additionally, I'm mandated to report any suspicion of abuse or neglect involving someone who is disabled or to an elderly person. So if anything you said indicated a past or current abuse or neglect of a minor or a disabled or elderly person, I would have to report that as well. Furthermore, in the instance of court orders or subpoenas, the law determines that I must share the progress of your case or information of your case with third parties when presented with a subpoena or a court order for this information. Lastly, there may be instances where I need to share information that you provided with my colleagues or my supervisor. Does my explanation of these limitations make sense to you? Do you have any concerns or questions regarding the confidentiality of our sessions or any limitations regarding our sessions? Now that you're aware of confidentiality and its limitations, are you ready to get started with our session? Okay, let's move forward.